Okay friends, let us solve another example of K-map, 4 variable K-map. If the equation is given to us, y is equal to a bar b c bar d plus a b bar c bar d plus a bar b bar c bar d plus a b c bar d plus a b c bar d bar plus a b c d. This is a given equation and it is asked to plot the K-map for the given equation and reduce the given equation using K-map. Now to solve this given equation in the form of K-map, using K-map, identify the missing term. In this case, all 4 variables are present in each term: ABCD, 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 either in true form or complement form. All terms are present. Therefore, I will plot the K-map for the given equation. Here I will write AB and here I will write CD. Here the term is A bar B bar, here it is A bar B, it is A B bar, this one is A B. Here it is C bar D bar, C bar D, C D bar and C D. These are the various terms. Okay. Now write 1 in that particular location for the given term. A bar B, this one is A bar B. C bar D, C bar D. Therefore, I will write 1 over here. For second term, it is A B bar. This one is A B bar. C bar D, C bar D. I will write 1 over here. For third term, it is A bar B bar. This one is A bar B bar. And C bar D, C bar D. I will write 1 over here. Next term is AB. This one is AB. And C bar D. I will write C bar D over here. Then next term is AB. And C bar D bar. C bar D bar is here. AB is here. Therefore, I will write 1. And ABCD. This one is AB. And this one is CD. Therefore, I will write 1 over here. Then make a group of 1 in horizontal or vertical. That is, the maximum number of 1 should be covered. Maximum number of 1 should be covered. The maximum number means 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. Then here the vertical grouping is possible. Vertical grouping of these 1 is possible. Okay. This is a vertical grouping. 4 1 are there. And identify the common term for this 4 1. C bar D is common for all these 4 1. Therefore, I will write C bar D. Group of 3 is not allowed. Make a group of 2 1 horizontally in this way. And for these 2 1, which is the common term for these 2 1, AB is common over here from horizontal side. AB is common. From vertical side, C bar is common for both of these 2. Here it is D bar, here it is D. Therefore, C bar is common. I will write C bar. Then one more group is possible of these 2 1s. And I will write the equation for these 2 1s. AB is common for both of these 2 1, AB, and for both of these 2 1, D is common. I will write here D. Here it is C bar, here it is C. Therefore, the final answer will be y is equal to C bar D plus A B D plus A B C bar. A B C bar. This is the final equation for the given K map. If the equation is given to us, then it can be write into K map, and the K map grouping is done and the reduction in the equation is possible, and it is written over here. So, this is a method of writing reduced equation with the help of K map.